Hi, my name is Joe Hightower, and a lot of the work that I do is on coastal rivers and with migratory fish like the striped bass, the American shad, and the Atlantic sturgeon.
Here are a few images of the anadromous fish that I work on. This is an American shad that's going to be tagged with a transmitter. We've also collected some large Atlantic sturgeon near the fall line on the Roanoke River and tagged those with transmitters. Striped bass, we capture those in several of our migration studies. They reach large sizes and support important commercial and recreational fishing.
I'm here today at Weldon on the Roanoke River. Weldon is known as the rockfish capital of the world. It's an important spawning area for striped bass. One of the reasons that I like to work on striped bass is that they're important for commercial and recreational fishing, and so that makes it important to get the management right. A lot of the work that we do includes putting tags or transmitters in fish and then tracking their migration. We're interested in where they occur at different times of the year, the level of fishing, the quality of the habitat, and whether spawning occurs in different places.
We've used a variety of research methods, from traditional approaches such as gill netting or electrofishing, which is often used in rivers to get species composition, to less traditional methods like a fish wheel. When the baskets are lowered down into the water, they're rotated by the current. It intercepts upstream migrating fishes, and it's a great way to get fish for tagging. We've also used hydroacoustic methods such as the split beam sonar shown here. As fish migrate upstream, they pass through the beam and you get a series of echoes that follow a consistent trajectory, like those fish shown here. We've also used a Didson sonar, which gives you images that look like a video in quality, even though it's an acoustic camera. It's like an ultrasound. You can see that this is a sturgeon swimming through the field here. So it gives you detailed information about a fish's size and shape. A side scan sonar shown here gives us great information about habitat. You can see this image shows the sand waves on the bottom of a river. Here are boulders and an upstream habitat and woody debris. You can also see fish either on the bottom or up in the water column, such as the one shown here. We've tested a weir which extends all the way across the river channel, and it intercepts upstream and downstream migrating fishes. It's a great way to get fish for tagging. If you put pit tags in those fish, you can detect them on an antenna, like the one shown here with the electronics on the shore that log each passage of a fish with a pit tag, and it gives you great migration information.
Thanks for watching, and please contact me by email if you have any questions about the work that we're doing.